Yeah, guys. So in last class, we have seen till operators, right? I think we have done with the special operators. Am I correct, guys? Alekya, can you tell me what were the special operators we discussed yesterday? Hmm. Am I audible, Alekya? What were the special operators we discussed? Oh, sorry, come again. Correct. Yeah. So the special operators are, please go on with identity operators and membership operators, right? Right. So for identity operators, we have is, right? And membership operator in am I correct, guys? So Shrimuki, can you tell me what will is operator will do? Please speak louder. I can't hear you. Mhm. Sorry, like you're saying is operator is like header. That is fine. The primary purpose of is operator is what it will check basically. Wait, just switch off the fan. I can't hear you, guys. Yeah, now you speak. Yeah, come on. So, Aditya, can you tell me what will is operator will do exactly the purpose? Yes, is operator will check address. Like what my question is, what it will do? It will compare address of two variables, guys. Okay, that's what you need to tell, right? Yeah, you guys are telling my all other things except that. Okay, see, x equal to 10. Guys, is my screen is visible to everyone? Am I sharing my screen or not? Yeah, you can see my screen, right? Yeah, x is y. Okay, see, it will give you true because both x and y are pointing to same location. That's why it's giving you true, right, guys? Okay. And membership operator means suppose if s equal to Sunil Tech, okay, then I'll say s character s in s, okay. Or if you are gonna confuse, write T in S. Okay, we are checking whether the character T is there in S. Okay, like that. Okay, it will give you true. Okay, or else you can use for this purpose also. L equal to for list L 10, 20, 30, 40. Right, 20 in L or not. Right, guys. In this way, we can use the membership operators. Right. So this is how we have done with operators. Right, guys. Guys, is that clear? So, Alekia, can you summarize what were the operators we have discussed so far? Okay, next one. Okay, very good. Then, yeah, very good, very good. So, guys, ternary operators we had discussed, right? Ternary operator. Ah, yeah, assignment operators. Okay, we left, right? Okay, okay. We'll discuss that. Okay. Yeah, we'll just a minute. Uh, let's see what were the left things. Special operators done, membership done, operator. Okay, okay. Assignment operator. Yeah, assignment operator is nothing, guys. Okay. See here. We used to save some values, right? We used to save some values, right? X equal to the 100. See, my equal is nothing but assignment operator. Okay, right, guys? Yeah. Next, we can combine assignment operator with some other operator to form compound operator. Okay. Shrimuki, can you tell me that what I'm asking exactly? What I have written? Shushmita, can you tell me this answer? Suppose, see, so first time we are writing one expression, something different. Okay. X equal to x plus 10. Guys, can someone wait apart from Sushmita? Can Alekia Srimuki, can you guys explain me what is the meaning of this expression? I think this is the first time we are discussing some logic, right? Yeah. Alekia Srimuki, anyone, can you guys tell me what is the meaning of this expression? Hmm. Correct, correct. So if my print the value of x, okay, if I print the value of x, so the value will be common. How much, Srimuki? 110. Okay. So the thing is, just I want to give one point which I used to, confuse a lot in my college days, right? Okay. So basically, in my BTech first year in VIT University, right? Okay, my professor used to write this expression. Okay, used to tell write this thing. So what I was thinking, okay, just if they write something like x equal to x plus 100, right? We are from math student, right? Okay, so we simply what we used to do, like basically in math, right? Okay, we used to strike no like this. Come on, guys, am I making sense? What I'm telling, Alekya? Yeah. So basically, while solving maths, right, we used to strike the same variables in left side and right side, right? Okay, and I am not able to get the exact meaning of it. Okay, so suppose I'm not able to get what is this? I'm not get. Yeah, I'm not able to get the exact meaning. I used to argue with my professor. Ma'am, I'm actually in math we should strike off no how it will work. Okay. Then she told me very patiently, first you need to think not in a perspective of math. Okay, right? Just to think in a perspective of programming. So how it will work means first if suppose x equal to 100, okay, x equal to 100, right? Suppose there will be a value something like this 100, then your x first your right side expression will be executed first. Okay, then it will be assigned to left side value, so that means 100 plus 10, right? 100 plus 10, that is 110. Okay, and that 110 will be assigned to x. Okay, this is how it works, guys. Actually, okay, don't strike off. Okay, both x and x are equal, so don't strike off like that. Okay, so what we used to do, what it used to do Python, first it will execute the right side expression, then after seeing this assignment operator, it will assign to x. Okay, it will update the value of x. Guys, am I making sense? Are you able to understand that? Alekya, Shrimuki? Okay, thank you. So this x equal to x plus 10 is there, no? Okay, this x equal to x plus 1, x equal to x plus 10, this is common across every programming language, guys. Okay, you need to understand it better, okay? So you need to thoroughly understand that, okay? If you have any doubts, please let me know. See, x equal to a plus b means you can easily understand, right? What will happen in x equal to a plus b, right? X equal to x plus 10, at my college, it's been 8 years, I think. Okay, BTech first year means, okay. I used to confuse a lot actually, okay. So I was telling my experience, okay, don't confuse like me, okay. Yeah. So x equal to a plus b means we can easily understand, but x equal to x plus 10 means I was not able to understand at that time, okay. So think like, first the right side expression is gonna execute and it will be assigned to left side, okay. Right? This is common across every programming language, okay. It won't change, okay. This is the basic fundamental logic of any programming language, okay. Please remember that, okay. And so that x equal to x plus 10 can be written as x plus equal to 10, right? This operator is making sense. This is called compound assignment operator, okay. Okay, is it fine? So So what I'm saying, yeah, x equal to x plus 10, that can be written as this way also, okay? So don't confuse, it's not something big or something extra we are doing over here, okay? Suppose if someone is saying x equal to x minus 10, okay? Shrimuki, can you tell me how can we written in the form of compound operator, this one, shorthand operator? Yeah, x minus equal to 10. Okay, that's it. Suppose if we write x equal to x into 10, like, can you tell me how can we write this one in the form of shorthand notation? How can we write in a short form this one like this? Huh. Like, are you trying? Huh? See, just see. No, I'm not asking what is the value. I was just asking how can we write short form in the short form, in the short form. Okay, okay, okay. Sure. So basically, like, yeah, what is happening means, so the shorthand operator is there, no? X equal to x plus 10 is there, no? This is the actual way of writing, okay? In the programs, people will write in, some other way also for the same expression, okay? So how they used to write x, this plus operator is there, no? They will bring to first plus, then equal to, they will write, and then 10. You got it? Then if for x equal to x minus 10, okay, again, this minus operator, they will bring first, then equal to operator, then 10. Okay, this can be written as this way. So I am asking, how can we write x equal to x plus 10 in other way? You got it, right? Yeah, can you tell me now? Super. That's it, right? Yeah, what is it? Okay. No problem, no problem. Okay. So these are called compound assignment operators, guys. Okay. Right? So Shimta, can you tell me how can we write x equal to x by 10? X equal to x division equal to 10, okay, that way, okay, right. You can use for any operator the same way, guys, okay, right. Yeah, right. I have think we have done with the operators, okay. Yeah, Right, guys. Okay. So guys, any doubts in the operator concept? Anyone? We have discussed multiple types of operators, right? Like just let to summarize, we'll see types of operators. Yeah. So arithmetic operators. Next, uh, relational operators. Next, bitwise operators. Next, logical operators. Right, guys? Then what we have discussed apart from this? Ternary operator. Huh. And special operators. Guys, these are the total operators we have discussed, or guys, any doubts in these operators apart, till now? Any doubts? So that we'll move to the next topic. Alike, any doubts here? Sure. That's why I was asking, guys. Yeah, no problem. See, so basically, you know about if else, right? I think I have just discussed some if, okay, right? If my statement will have some condition here, it will have some condition here, okay, and we'll have some colon here, right? If the condition is true, this block will be executed. If the condition is failed, the else block will be executed. Is that clear, Alekia? If else, basic if else. Okay. Even I am had to discuss this iterative statements. Sorry, these are called condition statements. Okay. But for some program, I discussed roughly, right? The if else program. Am I correct? So based on this if else, okay, they have designed, come up with a ternary operator. Okay. Right? So see, the ternary operator is okay, x equal to suppose a equal to 100, b equal to 200. So the problem statement is okay. So what the problem statement is, if a less than b, you need to print how much? Sum of two numbers. If a greater than b, you need to print sub difference of two numbers. You got it right, like yeah? What I'm telling. The question is okay. Suppose let's assume the question is okay. If a is less than b, okay, print sum of two numbers. Okay. If a is greater than b, print difference of two numbers. Okay, right, guys. So this problem. So Aleke, can you tell me how can you write by using if else, simple if else, the same program? No. You got the problem statement, right? Write a program to print uh, sum if a less than b. Okay, to print the difference if a greater than b. The at least this problem statement is clear. I was asking how can you write by using if else, the same logic. Yeah. No. She's saying something. Wait. Yeah. If a is less than b, okay, print a is lesser, right? Am I correct? Okay. Else uh, b is lesser. Am I correct? This logic is clear, right? But I was asking not exact logic, but fine, no problem. You have told something for the else, okay? No, my question here is okay. Okay, leave about this question. We'll do the same thing with the ternary operator. Okay, right? Okay. So my question is what I'm trying to say. Okay, if a less than b, print sum of two numbers. Okay. Else print difference of two numbers. Okay. That's what my problem statement requirement. Alike, is that clear now? See, if a less than b, print sum of two numbers. Yeah, if a is greater than b, difference of two numbers. So this is the problem statement, and which I solved with the if else. This is the basic if else criteria. Am I correct? The thing is, the thing is, that same one I want to solve by using ternary operator. Okay, there is a syntax. See, basically, interviewers are the in the project level. Okay, if you write like this way, often they won't accept. Okay, so if I tell you something, right, there is the GitHub. I think how many guys aware of how the project work is gonna be? Let me express. Let me tell you how it goes. How it goes. Okay, right? Shimk, is that fine? Yeah, yeah. So basically, after writing the code in the PyCharm, okay, any IDE, what your uh, what your requirement is. So obviously, in the start of the sprint, okay, see, this is my GitHub, okay, okay. So in the start of the sprint, okay, you are be giving a task, right? Suppose sprint means in the project level, okay, 10 days, 10 working days, okay. One sprint means 10 working days, okay, 10 working days, right? So in the day one of the sprint, okay, in the day one of the sprint, okay, you will be giving one task, okay, right? After writing the code at your end, you need to push that code to GitHub, okay, like this. The GitHub means it's a code repository, okay, where all your teammates looking for the code, okay. In the market, we have a Bitbucket, GitHub, like that, multiple tools are there, okay. In our company, we used to follow GitHub only, right? See, like this. So these were the codes for my students. I have sent, I have posted in my GitHub page. So like this, your company will be following one GitHub repository, right, guys? Okay, right? So the thing is, after posting the code on the GitHub, your teammate will review the code, okay? Right? Your teammate will review the code, okay? If he find some bugs, right? Okay, if he finds if something is going out of, you know, going wrong, he will give you the comments, okay? Comments means please change that, like that, okay? Right? See, you know, guys, am I making sense? Like, are you able to understand what I'm trying to express? Alake Srimuki? See, but the thing is, there will be a code hub repository like this GitHub. Okay. After completing the code, you need to raise a pull request. What's that meaning? You need to raise the pull request. Okay. Right? Pull request. Once you raise the pull request, that there will be a link. Okay. There will be link at this end. Okay. You need to share the pull request link to the with your team lead. Okay. He will check the code. He will review the code. If any mistakes, bugs are there, he will raise the issues. Okay. Right? Suppose if you write like this for if else, if you write the same way, he will simply give a comment that okay, please replace this with ternary operator. Okay. In the project level, they won't accept if else in the simple if else level. Okay. They will see the not only logic, code readability also they will check. Okay. What's that? Code readability. Readability. Okay. Going forward, you're gonna get all these things. Okay. So he will give your team lead will give you, please replace with the ternary operator. Okay. Right. Yeah. So let us see what is the ternary operator. I already told. Okay. The same thing, right? Okay. Suppose x equal to a plus b, a plus b, if a less than B, else A minus B, right? Guys, again I'm telling, there will be a condition. That condition will be surrounded with if and else. Okay. In the left side of if, will give the positive answer. In the right side of else, will give the negative answer. This is the syntax of ternary operator. Alekia, is that clear now? Yeah, same thing. See, the same if else I have replaced with the ternary operator. Okay. So why this is important means in interviews and in the project level, people will ask you to prefer ternary operator than if else. See, this if else seems like very childish code, right? They won't accept it. Okay, that's why. Okay. So this is the syntax. You need to write the condition surrounded with if and else. Okay. If this is a true case, you need to my x will be filled with a plus b. If it is a false case, the x will be filled with a minus b. Right, guys? Is that clear? One line. Yes, yes. That is nothing but code readability. Yes, yes. That is nothing but code readability. Okay. So we have to see whether the code is having good readability or not. Okay. Right? Not only the logic. Okay. So the going forward, you will get n number of things like this. Okay. Right? Okay. Chalo. We have done with operators finally. Okay. We'll see now some math operators. Sorry, some not of math, some math logics. Okay. Mathematical functions. Okay. Right, guys. Okay. So again, I'm telling, sprint means 10 working days in my company. Okay. And day one of the sprint, you will be assigned with a task. Okay. After 5 to 6 days or 4 to 5 days, you need to complete the code and you need to push your code to GitHub page. Okay. Then your team lead will see from the GitHub. Okay. Right. And if there are any bugs or any issues, he will give the comments. Okay. This is the how the typical project work. Okay. Will go. Okay. Right. Right. Okay. Come on, guys. Mathematical functions. Or you can say math module. Okay. Guys, can someone tell me what is module? Come on, guys. No, not exactly. Uh, Shushmita, can you tell me what is module? Shrimuki, can you tell me what is module? Yes, correct, correct, correct. Shrimuki, you were so dull today. Why? I haven't seen while you're speaking, I feel you're a bit dull. Okay, okay, okay. Oh, okay, okay, okay. Okay. Module is a collection of functions. Actually, today I woke up at 6 and again I slept. I woke up at 8:05 again. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay. So a module is a collection of functions, variables, and classes, guys. Okay, okay, guys. Okay. See, basically, so in Python library, right? They have defined the modules in any programming language. Okay. In Java, we call them as a packages. Okay. In Python, we call them as a modules. Okay. Both are one and the same. Okay, right? So basically, uh, there are some functionalities, okay, which are already defined. So see, if you see, power functionalities, square root functionalities, which are very common, right? Okay, so they will be, time consuming if the program is writing every logic to define a square root, to define a, what we call power. Okay, so if the program is writing every functionality on his own, it will be a time consuming, right? Okay, so as a language, each language is trying to give some predefined functionalities, okay, in the maths, right? So that's where these functionalities are defined in the modules. That is the advantage of modules, right? Alike, is that clear? Yeah, so what I'm trying to say, instead of defining everything by the programmer, language will say, wait. We have already defined some basic math functionalities in our math module. Okay, please use them. Okay, that's what it is supposed to say, right? Yeah. So math is a module that contains several functions to perform mathematical operations. Okay, right, guys? Okay. The first thing is, okay, yeah, we are already aware there is a math module inside the Python library, but how can we use them? Kushmita, can you tell me how can we use the math any module in Python? If you want to use any module in Python, what is the step one we need to do? Not declare. We have to import that module or the library. Okay, right? Suppose there are some goods which are available in the foreign. If you want to use those goods, means first we need to import, right? Import means we need to get those goods into our area. Am I correct? Then, then we can use that, right? Right? Shishanta, guys, is that clear? Yes, today I'm getting bit tongue stammering more. Okay, just yeah, try to adjust for today. Yeah, any module in Python. First, we have to import that module. Okay, first we have to import that module. See, guys, again, just import the meaning is just understand. Suppose if there are some goods in the any made in China, right, from China, basically we used to import the goods, to India. The goods from China, Australia, America, we used to import, right? Okay. So first we need to get those goods. If you want to use the goods, first we need to get those goods or import those goods. Am I correct? First we need to import those goods and then only we can use, right? Okay. The same way, okay, in our code, if you want to use any math library, I need to import the math library to my code. Okay. There is certain functionality is there. Okay. We'll see that. Okay. Right, guys? This, yeah, this laptop is working very fine. The new laptop, actually. Yeah. Sushmita, can you tell me how can we import math library? Yeah. Import math. Okay. Yeah. Print math dot square root. See? See, these many functions are defined. See, square root, sine h, cos, degrees, right? Okay, lot of functionalities they have already defined. Okay, based on your requirement, you use them. Okay, right, guys? 16 or 25, right? Okay, guys, can someone tell me the answer of this? 5. If you see, the square root is a function, right? See, function name with parentheses and passing some input parameter. So, do we define anywhere the square root function? No, right? The square root function is defined inside the in the Python library. See, if you want to see this functionality, see, click on the control click. Okay, see, def square root. They have defined that, right, guys? Okay. See, in math.py, this is the math.py is a module which is defined by the Python, which is defined in the Python library. This square root, sine, h, sine. This is the Python library. I think we can't comment it out. See, we can't modify them also. Okay. See, file is read-only file. Okay. So like this, but like this, they have defined. Okay. Yeah. print math.py. See, we can directly use this module and we can use them, okay, for our convenience whenever we require. See, and the pi value is 3.151415. Big value is there, okay? Yeah. So like this, we define modules, okay? Alekya, is that clear, Alekya? Without importing, you're asking, huh? No, what you're saying? Acha, without import, and we can't do, Alekya. This line is mandatory, okay? You need to use, okay? So no, that is operators. This is modules. Okay. Okay. If you want to use, see, if you want to use any function inside any module, first you need to import that module, right? Suppose, let's assume, if I want to use the TV in your home, right? I want to come to your home, right? First, then only I can use the TV, right? You got it, right? I just trying to give some real-time example. So if I want to use anything, I need to go over there, or first I need to import the TV to my location. Then I can use the TV, right? The same way, first you need to import this math module, okay? Okay? Yeah. So this can be written as, sometimes people will write import math as M, okay? Now instead of math, you can write M, okay? That's it. This way also you can write, okay? Fine. As, use the keyword as, okay? Math as M, okay? Sometimes, wait. Control A, Control C. Sometimes, okay, if you want to directly call the functionality, you write like from math, guys, different ways of importing. Please focus. Okay, from math, import square root, comma pi. Right, guys? Now you can directly call the functionality square root and pi. Okay. See, we are directly importing the direct function, right? Okay, so we can use directly them. Okay. 5.0, 3 point pi. Okay. Right, guys, is that clear? Krishna? Right. Yeah. So some important functions we'll see now. Okay. Print m dot c is not working. Huh? I think it is not there in the seal function. Okay, fine. Seal is an error. Okay. Yeah, seal function is not there actually. I thought seal would be there in the math module. Okay, leave it. Okay. So there are, you can see m dot. See, you can use these functions. Okay. See, degrees, cos hx, okay, exponential. Okay. Fab, okay, fab, floor. Okay, floor is there, right? Okay, see, floor of, come on, guys, 23.34. Can you guys tell me the answer of floor of this one? Sushmita, the floor value of this value. I'm asking, yeah. Guys, the floor means it will give you the base, 23.34, right? It will terminate this one and it will give you the 23 only. Seal means it will supposed to give 24 next to this next integer, okay? But that is not working. I don't know why. Okay, we'll check that. Okay, yeah, it is supposed to work. They're saying it has no attribute of seal. Okay, but floor is there. Okay, floor means it will suppose 23.34, right? So the next value is 24 and its previous value is 23. Okay, so the seal means 24 will come and floor means 23 will come. Guys, Alekya, is that clear, Alekya? The seal and floor. Yeah, like that. Okay, these are some math functionalities, different functionalities. Okay, right. Yeah, let us try for the first program now. Okay, after a lot of days, we are doing the first program. Am I correct? I think it's the second or third program. Earlier, we have done a small program. Now also we'll do some small program. Okay, okay. Write a program to calculate area of a circle. Okay, I will be giving the radius equal to some 22.5. Okay, 2.5 units. Okay, guys, I'll give you 5 minutes. Can you guys try this program and ping the code in the chat box? Give it a try, guys. Okay, I'll be waiting for you. Right, guys, is that fine? Will you try now the code? See, write a program to calculate the area of the circle. Guys, see yes or no? So dull, due to weekend. Srimukhi, Halakya, guys. Yeah, please try that, okay? Because everything, if I'm teaching, simply no use, right? Alike, you also try, okay? So, write a program to calculate the area of the circle, okay? The formula to calculate the area of circle is pi r square, okay? Yeah, try that. Okay, there is a news that, Google is, Google will come to Vizag. Let us see how it works.
డావోస్ గురించి చాలా మంది చాలా అపోహలు సృష్టించారన్నారు. దేశంలో మొదటిసారి డావోస్ వెళ్లాలని నిర్ణయించింది తానే అన్న చంద్రబాబు 1997 నుంచి అక్కడికి వెళ్తున్నట్టుగా చెప్పారు. స్వంతమైన ఏపీ బ్రాండ్ ను మళ్లీ ప్రమోట్ చేస్తున్నానని, రాష్ట్రాన్ని మళ్లీ ప్రపంచ పటంలో పెట్టడమే లక్ష్యమన్నారు. దేశంలోని అనేక రాష్ట్రాల నుంచి ప్రతినిధులు దావోస్ రావడం మంచి పరిణామం అని చెప్పారు. దావోస్ ఎంఓయూలు చేసుకోవాలి, మళ్ళీ ఎంఓయూలు ఏమి కాగితం మీద పెట్టేసి కాదు, కరెక్ట్ కాదు. Yes, I'm very happy. There is a good competition among states. అది కడాను గవర్నమెంట్ కూడా పోటీ పడే పరిస్థితికి వచ్చారు. నేను అదే ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చెప్పాను. మేము ఉండే అన్ని 3 చీఫ్ మినిస్టర్స్ 3 రాష్ట్రాలు వచ్చారు, 5 మంది కేంద్ర మంత్రులు వచ్చారు. డావోస్ కు వెళ్లడం ద్వారా ప్రపంచంలో ఎలాంటి ట్రెండ్ నడుస్తుందనే అంశంపై ఒక క్లారిటీ వస్తుందన్న సీఎం చంద్రబాబు వాటిపై అవగాహన పెంచుకోవడం ద్వారా భవిష్యత్ ప్రణాళికల్ని రూపొందించుకోవచ్చున్నాయి. ప్రపంచంలోని అనేక గొప్ప కంపెనీలు డావోస్ కు వస్తాయని, అక్కడ వాళ్ళందరినీ కలిసే అవకాశం వస్తుందని వివరించారు.
Davos is a place to learn కొత్త కొత్త విషయాలు. ప్రపంచం ఏ ట్రెండ్ తో ఏ మూమెంట్ లో పోబోతుందో అక్కడ అందరూ ఉండే డిస్కషన్ జరుగుతుంది. అంటే ఫ్యూచర్ ట్రెండ్స్ డిబేట్ చేసే ప్లేస్ వన్స్ ఇన్ ఇయర్ దావోస్. ఆ ట్రెండ్స్ ని ఒకటి, రెండు అదొక ప్లేస్ నెట్వర్కింగ్, అందరినీ కలిసి మళ్ళా రెన్యూ చేసుకోవడం. ఇప్పుడు బిల్ గేట్స్ కలవాలి, నేను ఎక్కడికి పోవాలి, సియాట్లో పోవాలి, లేకపోతే ఎప్పుడైనా ఇండియాకి వస్తే కలవాలి. ఐ వాజ్ ఏబుల్ టు వెయిట్ 5 minutes.
తెలిపారు సీఎం చంద్రబాబు. దీనికి ఒక మేనేజ్మెంట్ కమిటీని ఏర్పాటు చేస్తున్నామని, టాప్ ఇండస్ట్రియలిస్టులందరినీ ఇందులో ఇన్వాల్వ్ చేస్తామన్నారు. రాబోయే కాలంలో భారత్ కు ప్రపంచ వ్యాప్తంగా
పోలవరం 12,150 కోట్లు ఇచ్చారు, ట్రాక్ లో పెట్టాం, పోయింది. దాన్ని కూడా మళ్ళీ రెక్టిఫై చేశాం. ఇప్పుడు మొత్తం ప్యారలల్ డయాఫామ్ వాల్ కట్టే పరిస్థితికి వచ్చాం ఒక దుర్మార్గమైన కార్యక్రమంతో. నవ్ వీఆర్ బిల్డింగ్ ప్యారలల్ డయాఫామ్ వాల్. 360 కోట్లతో 400 కోట్లతో చేసిన డయాఫామ్ వాల్ ఇప్పుడు 1000 కోట్లు అదనంగా పెట్టి చేసే పరిస్థితికి వచ్చాం. టైం 2 ఏళ్ళు పోయింది. ఏదైనా ఒక టైం బాండ్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ పెట్టుకున్నా 2000 ఆల్మోస్ట్ ఆ రోజు చూపించిన ఆత్మగౌరవంతో ఈ రాష్ట్రాన్ని సర్వనాశనం చేయరాజా లాంటి ఫ్యాక్ట్ నా ఏమేమి ఇస్తాం. తలసరి ఆదాయం ఎక్కడికో వెళ్ళిపోతాం. అంటే 2047కు 58 లక్షల రూపాయల తలసరి ఆదాయం వస్తుంది. ఇప్పుడుండే 2,68,653 నుంచి 58 లక్షలు.
Guys, is that done? Alekia, Shimuki, guys, is the code is done? That done, na? Ping me in the chat box. No problem. If it is right or wrong, no problem. Just ping me in the chat box, okay? Yeah, I'll ping in the chat box. Hi. See, you can ping over there in the chat box. Or I'll share in the group if you're not okay. If you're writing with the pen and paper, if you're writing on pen and paper, you can share in the group. I'll check. Pen and okay. Yeah, you can send the code. You can take some screenshot. Okay. Yeah. Import math. That's it. Yes. Yeah, you can see over here. See how I written. Okay, you import math as M or math directly. Okay. Yeah. Now right. Yeah. You can post in the group, or you can share it over here, or you can take some picture. Anything you do. Okay. Send me. Okay. I'll see. No problem. If it is right or wrong, it's not an issue. Okay. Take your time, and starting it will be like that only, right? Even I used to struggle a lot in my BTech. Okay. Yeah. I hope people from Andhra Pradesh will work in Vizag in the future days. Yeah, I can hope. Yeah, instead of going for Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad, people can work. I can sense some, development of Vizag. Okay, let's hope for the good. Yes, please send me. Yeah. Shimuki, is it done? Yeah, no problem. Ping me in the chat box, okay? Just I want to see your thought process, right? Yeah, please send me. Okay. Guys, in my BTech first year, I for the small program like this, I took half an hour to write. Okay. So, it will be taking some time, guys, to improve. Okay. Trust me, it will take some time. Over the time only, you will improve. Okay. Yeah, def circle area or written math pi. Yeah, very good, Shim. Okay, very good, very good. But no need of defining function, right? Then where is the acha, acha, you're calling function also? Super, super. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Correct, correct. I have access in a basic. I have expected in a very basic way, but you have written in a complex way. Very good, very good. I haven't. Oh, you can directly write, right? Okay, no problem. I'll tell you. Alekya, is that done from your end? Sushanta, is that done? Okay, okay, fine, leave it. Alekya, have you done? No problem. I know you know. Alekya, is that done? No problem, Alekya. Yeah, send whatever you know. Okay, whatever you are able to write. Okay, no problem. And don't feel discouraged. Okay, because this Alekya and Shrimuki, they have some coding experience, right? Earlier, they might be having some coding experience, right? Earlier, you are very big beginner, right? Okay, don't feel discouraged. Okay, obviously it will take some time. Okay, you have pinged in the group, huh? Okay, I'll check that. Okay. Yeah. Import mathism. Yeah. Good only. M dot pi. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. No problem. Just you have written small mistake only. That's correct. Fine. No problem. Guys, I'm expecting in a very basic way. See, area equal to what is there? See, area equal to math dot pi or area equal to math dot pi into r. That's it, right? That's it. Okay, into r. Okay, we need to define that r. Okay, that's it. And r equal to some 5 or 10. Wow, whatever the value you want to take that. Okay, that's it. Okay, area equal to math dot pi into r square, right? That's it. Print area. What is there here? Just we need to use math dot pi for the value pi. Am I correct? That's it. Okay, print area. Right. Alike, you tried good only, no problem. You have your thought process is good, but yeah. See, first, the logic contains math dot pi into r into r. That's the actual logic. For that, you need to define to the compiler. First, you need to define all the variables which you are gonna use in that logic, right? You are using r variable, so you need to define that value. Before the logic, okay, right? Alike, is that clear now? See, the actual logic is pi into r square, right? Okay, in the r square, you need to define the compiler. Okay, what is r value? What is r? And what is its value? So that's where I defined. Okay, you got it right, like now? Yeah. So in this way, you practice small, small programs, guys. Okay. So take as a homework, just stay on the call. Okay, I'll stop sharing this recording.